Hi everyone, today we are opening another front door fashion box that was sent to me by my personal stylist who has put together a theme that I requested, and it is the ever so popular and sustainable Coastal Grandmother look. It is a look based on people like Diane Keaton in several of her most recent movies, and also on Oprah and Martha Stewart. It is that waspy look from New Englanders and people that spend their summers at Martha's Vineyards or the Hamptons. So there's definitely a East Coast vibe, very sophisticated, simple, but accessible to all of us. And this look has been so popular this summer that I know for a fact it will have a long shelf life. It is an easy trend to transfer into fall, especially for us here in warmer states, because we will have just a little change of the depth of the layers and you're there. It is also quite accessible in that you really have basic pieces that you will wear forever. I'm really excited about this look. I think it will be here to stay. And I thank the young kids who have come up with the idea of the Coastal Granddaughter looks, because I know that they will make that trend last. For me, it's not a trend. I do try to wear clothes that is timeless. I just think that this is it for us. Right now is the ideal time to get some cool deals with the summer sales that are going to be happening soon, and grab a few of these fantastic pieces that you will be able to wear for years to come. You will also be able to wear these into fall. The first collection is the night and day collection. The very first look is a brighter look, and we will have a darker look for the night part coming up. Let's start with this first look right here. I'm wearing these wide-legged jean pants, which are actually nicer for me, because if you're gonna wear white pants, just size up, especially linen pants. Front door fashion only goes up to size 12, so I don't think they can size up for me as far as linen is concerned. But I got these very casual wide-legged pants with a frayed hemline with a white t-shirt, all to be dressed loose, and this gorgeous cashmere poncho. It's beige or sandy colored, and it's just to die for. I'm not sure I'm supposed to be wearing it even like this, or if it's supposed to be just sideways in a more relaxed way. But I do like the way I have it. Bethany said just wear some summer sandals and a straw bag. So this made me realize I don't have a nice enough straw bag. My stylist also sent me these seashell earrings. I'm quite allergic to earrings that are not diamonds or real gold, so I don't know what these are, so I'm always afraid to put them on. And yeah, this would look cute, but I think they look just as nice as with my studs, which, by the way, are a trademark of the Coastal Grandma look. Go get you fakies and remember to wear white wide-legged pants and a layer of sandy color something, and you're there. If you remove the poncho and just add a striped black sweater and a hat, you will get a completely different look. Still just with the basic white tee and the straight leg jeans. Always aware of our hot and humid climates here in Houston. My stylist sent me a black shirt. It's this lub cotton, so it's almost paper thin. Wearing the same pants with the little sweater over the top again, but it's just a lovely look. I chose to wear this with my Sam Edelman ballerina shoes, black. I also would wear it with my dark Birkenstocks, and it would be just as casual, and definitely something I can wear in the fall here in Houston. And for those breezy evenings, why not just wear your little sweatshirt over the black shirt, or in my case here in Texas, the little sweater and my white pants. Super easy. And guys, for the gray hair ladies out there, isn't this beautiful? How just black and white makes a whole entire outfit. Nothing else needed. Casual, relaxed, and chic. And now for the second collection, named Sand. So one of the fantastic things about this collection and this look really is it gives you that look of sophistication, but you don't have to spend a lot of money to achieve it. Proven point is this outfit right here, to have the sophisticated, easy, chic look of the Coastal Granny. We have this paper thin striped beige and sand long sleeve shirt that I can wear it in the summer here in Texas because it is so thin, and a lovely, very thin in my case as well. Ooh, could this be cashmere? But if not, just a little thin sandy sweater, the same white pants, and your favorite sunglasses, which in this case I picked sunglasses that is a tortoiseshell, which is also quintessential coastal grandma. Now for this look, I never thought I would be able to fit in these taupe trousers. They cost a pretty penny, but they do fit a body like mine that's all full of lumps and curves. Unfortunately, you will see my panty line, my granny panties. I decided to wear those today for this outfit, but just ignore the lines. Because of the length of the pants, I decided to wear little cat eyes. I think they're just quite fitting. So for the next collection, it's called The Sea and Sky. I love how she puts these cute little names in there. The first option was the soft blue drawstring pants, a V-neck tee, which from the first collection, I just put one of my own because I already packed the other ones. Blush casual button down. Yes, you always need a button down for the Coastal Granny, the CG fashion. And then she said use the gold seashell earrings or my fabulous turquoise necklace, which is what I decided to do. You wear it everything untucked for the actual style, or if you want a little bit more shape, we will tuck it in and cinch the drawstring pants. I chose these sunglasses because I think the color of the lens goes really well with the blush button down. So I decided to pull out one of my husband's ashy gray, sandy brown shirts from his closet and just put that on top of the outfit. And all I did is I'm going to be wearing blue sunglasses to kind of go with the pants. I know it's kind of matchy-matchy, but I still think it does translate into that look that we're going for. For the final outfit, she sent me this striped dress, like a pinstripe kind of dress, and it is very summery and lovely, but I don't like the way it fits me. It is lined, so it brings more bulk to my hips, making my hips even wider. So I don't think it's a fantastic fit for me to wear it on its own as it was expected, or even with the little beige sweater, which I am keeping over the shoulders. I still don't like the proportions. I did, however, try it on with just a linen white shirt that I thought looked really nice. And then also with a super long sweater that looks like netting from the ocean. So I thought that I can get away with that. Okay, let's see what we got. I wanted to take a minute here to recap a few of the items that will magically create that coastal grandmother look. You need a straw hat, a straw bag, a tortoiseshell sunglasses, stripes, loose clothing, sandy colored clothing, light blue clothing, straight-legged pants, even flared white pants. Really? If you have a blue button down that is nice and loose from your husband's closet or significant other's closet, you're halfway there. I really hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you want to get $50 off on your first box from Front Door Fashion, just use my code down below. You get $50 and I get $50. Yay! All right. See you next week.